Okay, we are here at Ayama Beach, Tatayama, and get some longboarding right off the waves. Check it out. Small, but it's okay. Take them. Look alright. Yeah. I don't know if I should wear my boots or what. Maybe no need. But like this one, Boat Harbor over here. Nice day today. Oh, somebody's sleeping over there. Pretty good. Maybe I don't need my boots. Yeah. So this is the parking lot over here. That's the houses. Oh, right there. That's the one gotta catch. The left. Okay. So we're going out and okay. Get ready. Okay, we're here at Hesura Beach. We're gonna get some pretty good waves and surf out there. It's pretty good. These sets coming in. Just zoom in. Some waves. Oh, look at that one. I'm bowling. Oh. Yeah, just watch these sets coming in. Wow. Oh, some pretty good ones, man. Use my short board. Oh, look at that one. Over here. Yeah, not bad. More bowling waves over here than the other side. How's that side? We're going to look on that side. Over here, looks like more bowling though. Long walk though. Man, gotta walk from there. Okay, I'm grab my board. Okay, we're ready to go. See the sets out there. Look pretty good. And catch some. Yeah, get my board, the fun board. Try them. So, again, we at Hesura, South Chiba. And we can try them out. Try this fun board. Because the waves are kind of a little bit weak over here. So we can try them. I go to this spot closer to the rocks because nobody there. Try over there. Gotta cross this stream right there. See them? Cross the stream. Get my boots on. Gotta wear booties because water cold, man. Yeah. Surf boots. So I'm gonna try to go out without gloves and hood. See if I can handle. But what can I handle? I'm gonna come in and put them on. But I brought them in the bag out. But try them out. Small, man. I don't know. We go out right there. Look shallow though, but let's try them. I don't know if you get rocks over there. Okay. And stretch a little bit. Just like how this guy's stretching. Stretch a little bit and then just go out there. Okay. Okay, we're ready to go out now. My Dynasty board I bought from the second-hand store, but actually this is on this was brand new. I went and ran them first, and then they went and applied a rental cost to the price of the board. Just buy them out. So I just bought them. It's pretty good, and Truster with FCS 1 gigs. So okay, without further ado, let's go. Nice day, a little bit overcast, but that's okay. How's the water? Not that bad. Not as cold as North Chiba, man. Ichinomiya like that? Oh, what is cold. They look like it's some reef though. So that's okay. It's like Hawaii, you get kind of reef. Okay. Let's see the water. Coming low tide, so man, doing paddle out the other side. Still it's shallow, man. I gotta go around. Oh, a little bit cold water. The camera still. Nobody on this left right now. Okay, we'll be back when we get on a wave. set's coming. And we're gonna eat at this local restaurant, seafood restaurant. As you can see, this place been around for a very long time, so it's like a real historic Japanese restaurant. And check out those boats, man. There's some old fishing boats. Little harbor over here, pretty cool. So I'm gonna try eat here and see how the food is. Okay. I don't know what the name is, but it's good. So we're gonna eat here. Hatayama. Hisurua Beach. Beach. Yeah. Like South Chiba. Okay. They're pretty busy, so we gotta wait. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, here's the menu. The menu. Oh, that one look good too, lobster miso. Yeah. Oh, what is that?
I think that's the
Shrimp. Ebi, yeah. Just tempura mix. Aji. And vegetables, Aji. Steamed fish. That one looks good too. Oh, I like this. This is the one. I want this. And actually, they all look good. Oh, you're scanning it.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
It's a limited menu for March.
Oh.
I don't know what's inside though. I think I'm gonna have this one then. This is the one that this one I have. Okay. You want this, right?
Yes. これ。
Oh, no more.
Oh, shucks. Okay.
だからこれか金目か海鮮丼それしかできない。だってね。これは終わり。No can. No more lobster, I think.
Oh, okay, okay.
だからこれかね。あとはこれか。
Oh, はい。Oh, これ。はい。
You don't want しらしぼ?
No, no. I want that. Okay, we'll be back then. We'll be back when our food comes. Nice. Yeah, it looks nice. Alright. Steamed fish. So this is the popular fish.
This one looks good. Yeah, I want to take a picture of it.
Yeah. And then yours is what? Tempura. So here's our food at the local restaurant, which is this is called Aihama Te Japanese restaurant. Yeah, it's pretty good. Nice place. Yeah. And they have TV. You can watch TV. Hardworking people, hardworking family, local family business. So we're gonna eat now. Looking good. Okay, how's it, everybody? So we're on our way home from Tateyama, and this is Sunday afternoon, so March 2nd. So right now, so the traffic is really bad on the Aqualine Sundays. So come here to Ferry. So we're waiting to drive on when the ferry comes. Cars over here. So I had to go inside. I bought the ticket already. So one way ticket, 4,900 with one passenger. I mean, yeah, so two people. So one car, I think, is 3,900 with one passenger, and then they charge you 1,000 yen for extra passenger. So it's the ticket counter over here. It's the ticket counter, and then they get all kind of stuff over here, like you can purchase some clam chips and peanuts and all kind of stuff. So pretty good stuff. Snacks. Omiyagi stuff. Strawberry mochi stuff. Oh, this seems good, huh? Oh, strawberry crunch. Wow, good. Huh? Oh, how's this beer? They get their own beer. Yeah, so all kinds of stuff over here. It's pretty cool. Oh, look at those clams. Oh, big clams. Wow. Okay, we better go already before I miss the boat. I don't like miss the boat. Pretty cool, man. Look, they get on burger shop too over here. Pretty cool. All kind of burgers. Okay, we better go before we miss the boat. I only missed the boat. Any kind of snacks, shrimp stuff. Let's go back to the car. Nice place, nice port. Yeah, so look, everybody waiting for the ferry. Yeah. Tiny cars. Okay, this is our car. Okay, so we'll be back when we're on the ferry. Okay, right now we're ready to board. This is Tokyo One ferry. Ferry from Chiba. Yeah, still Chiba. We was at Hesiura. Oh, don't let this receive fly away. Tateyama, Hesiura. Went surf and then went eat at this restaurant. It was pretty good. So we'll catch the ferry from here to what is that? Kurihama. So that's by Yokosuka. And then we're gonna stop by the base, go Panda, pick up food. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay. So right now all the bicycle guys and like the motorcycle guys went on already. Special buses. So I think right now the guy collecting all the tickets. So this is the ticket. See him. Yeah.
So did you just have to say K car?
Yeah. Yeah. Honda N-Box, I told him. So she was asking what model. So just the guy gonna come on. Collect the ticket, I think. Yeah. Okay.
はい、失礼します。
Oh, look, the guy gave one business card. See how Ferry business card. Yeah. 50% off, look. If you go 10 times. Yeah.
Making that up.
I can read Japanese now. Okay, pretty soon we're going, so. Yeah, pretty soon we're gonna drive on. First time ferry action. Okay, we'll be back when we start rolling. Okay, starting to roll now. Shall I look in the mirror? See if we can get outside. Okay. This It's our first time ferry. First time ferry. Just follow the guy in front of you. Pretty soon. Pretty soon. Get ready. That was the last car, that white one. Okay. Okay, going on. Alright. Rolling. Just follow the guy. Follow the guy.
Oh.
Okay, have to let the motorcycle guys go. Okay, here we go. Turn on the lights. On the ferry. Oh, this side, this side. I see, that's it. Okay, alright. Okay.
We're getting out of the car.
Alright. Yeah. Gonna enjoy the ferry. Yeah. Okay, so now we'll should I bring your jacket?
Yeah, I know. When it's cold.
Yeah. Go on the deck. Check out the sunset. Yeah.
Wow, my ass. Oh,
Alright. Okay. So bring. Okay, so we'll be back when we go out on the deck. We'll walk outside. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I need my beverages. Hey, did you want soda? Oh, you can buy upstairs. Oh, my jacket. Gotta bring jacket because
I like eating on his car.
where? Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay. So this is our car, and I need to grab the key. Okay, so I guess we're going. I don't know which way I have to go. I guess that way. Well, anyway, but look how many cars get. Pretty cool, huh? See all the cars loading up on the ship. Okay, now we're going up the stairs. Yeah. Check out the view. Oh, look, the guy's fishing. Fishing. Okay. Yeah, look how much cars get. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. So, going up on the deck. Everybody hanging out over here. Wow, that's cool, look. Yeah? I wonder if you can go up.
Is good?
Wow, that's pretty cool. Look at nice seats, eh? G. G. I can walk around. I like to see this place. So get vending machines. Pretty cool. Look, oh, choke golfers. It's for the golf clubs. Oh, we go outside over here. Check it out. Oh, this is the upper deck with their cars. Oh, come on. Yeah. Okay, go upstairs. Oh, the beautiful sunset. Sun going down now. Yeah. Again, Chiba, South Chiba. Nice, some swells. Oh, check them out. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah, I guess we're going over to the other side. Nice. Let's take a look over here. It's pretty cool. It's the back deck. Back deck area. It's pretty nice. Okay, folks. So we'll be back when we start getting on the way. But some good at least you can have a good view of what it's like on this ferry. We'll park our car, drive on, park. Now you can relax, you know. Brought some beverages because I get my my designated driver, so I can pound some beers. Yeah. Okay. Check you guys out later then. Alright. Okay, we found ourselves one seat here in this room. As you can see, some pretty cool cruising place. Nice and warm. So right now it's 4:30 and traffic is horrendous on the Aqualine, so this is one alternative route, back home, where we can drive our car on the ferry, and it's a 40-minute ride to Yokosuka side, and we're gonna go to Yokosuka base and pick up some Chinese food. So again, I get my designated driver here, so I'm gonna enjoy this premium malt. And then this is the I think this is the cherry blossom version. Yeah. So yeah, kampai. Be back when we start heading on the way. Okay, we're off. Takayama, and we headed to Yokosuka. Oh, it swells, huh? That's pretty cool. Oh, nice the ocean, huh? Somewhere down there is our destination. Hey, I think it's the first time I'm gonna ride on boat since I sold my boat. Feels good to be back on the ocean. It was going pretty fast though. Yeah. That's South Chiba, all over on this side. So yeah, some good surf session, man. It was out maybe 2.5 hours. It was small though, the waves. I think this boat ride is about 30-40 minutes. It's for the anchor line. Yeah. Look how big that chain is. We'll pull up the anchor. The dock lines. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Nice clear day today. Sunny. Okay, maybe we'll check out outside, like upstairs later. Okay, we're up on the top deck now. And Tatayama over there just left. And again, we was down there. Chiba. This is all Chiba right here. Chiba. This whole section. Oh, look, that's the statue. The one we went. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
That's. I think that's it.
Yeah.
I think that's the one. But so we headed down this side. Look, the fishing boat over there. Tiny fishing boats. Nice. Japanese flag over there. Nice boat ride. Oh, this guy's jigging. Fishing boat. Many ships. Still waiting for a dock in Yokohama Bay. Yeah, look like we're almost there. We're almost at the port. Yeah. So again, we came from Chiba side, and Yokosuka over there. base. Then yeah. So nice and clear with the sun. Yeah. My favorite drink. Yeah. Some kind of factory. Heading into port now. A lot of ships out in Tokyo Bay. It's the Aqualine out in the distance over there, but it's hard to see. So let's go look that side. Heading into the port now. About 30 minutes. Yeah. Take a look on this side. Red channel marker. So red, always remember the color is red or green. So red means returning on your, and should be on your right. So that's how you gotta remember navigation for the ship. Yeah. So on the opposite side of the channel will be green. You're supposed to have a green buoy, or at least a green marker. That's what it is. So always remember red on your right when you're returning. So what is that? Like one,
Jail.
yeah, that's what I was just gonna say. It looks like one prison. With the watchtower, hello. Yeah. Sound like trolling on the boat, trolling for fish. Should have brought my fishing pole. Can go look like trolling speed. There we go. How's the rescue boat, light boat? Not sure if I can fit everybody though in there. Want to get one, I guess get the rope on the side, you can hang on. Huh? The water cold though. Yeah, so here we go. Turning back to, going back to land. Okay. Ferry. Bird pile, bird pile. Sitting though. That's not a good sign. That means no more fish. Okay, we're going dock now. I think it's saying everybody go back to your car. It's cool though. It's pretty easy to buy the ticket and just drive up, walk in, buy the ticket. They make it too easy. You know, I'd rather do this than drive the Aqualine in traffic. Of course, if no more traffic, then it's probably better to just drive, but some good option, you know. I don't know what those traps for, those floaters. Maybe like fish traps maybe. With all the birds. Okay. Like we going on the left side. We're gonna go dock. Ramp to drive on and off. That's the one. Pretty cool. Yeah, from dock to the orange. That's the drive off ramp. Pretty cool. Good experience, you know. Oh, that's the onsen over there. Onsen. Super onsen. What am I going there now? Okay, so we're going back to the car now. And I feel relaxed because I don't need to drive now. Yeah. Okay. Okay. We out. I'll be back when we drive off. Okay, we just docked, and this is everybody going back in their cars now, and we're just going to drive straight off and exit. Yeah. Okay. Drove off the ferry.
Oh, this is cool.
And the mirrors.
My bag. Can you help me with my bag? I'm sorry.
We got off the ship. The ship's back there. Okay, so
This is the port, yeah? The Costco port.
I guess, yeah. Okay, we're in your Costco base now. Check out panda bears. They're making Chinese food. Okay, that's all for today.